my name is Hannah and I'm our educator here at Omnify, and today we're going to be going over some HSA qualified items. Here are some typical qualified items that we see coming through pretty often. You can see that it is medical, dental, and vision expenses as well as some other. So medical, vision, and dental, you're going to be seeing office visit expenses, surgery, over-the-counter items, that includes prescriptions, glasses and contact lenses, LASIK surgery, extractions and implants, so lots of different things there. In terms of other items that are qualified, COBRA and Medicare premiums are qualified expenses to use those HSA funds for. That does exclude Medigap insurance, and there are a few restrictions there. So if you do decide you want to use your HSA funds for COBRA or Medicare, I would recommend talking to a COBRA or Medicare specialist, and they can help you out a little bit to know exactly what you're needing for your coverage, as well as what you can use those HSA funds to pay for. You can also use HSA funds to pay for portions of long-term care insurance, and again, if that's your situation and you're looking into that, I would recommend talking to a specialist. If you ever want to see the full list of qualified expenses, you can always check out IRS Publication 502, but just to give you some examples, here are some surprisingly qualified items that you maybe didn't know about. That would include things like wigs, menstrual products and birth control, pregnancy test, prescription sunglasses, so regular sunglasses, not going to be qualified, but those prescription glasses would be. Things like breast pumps and other pregnancy supplies, sunscreen, allergy medication. You can actually use it for travel for medical care, so maybe you have to travel to see a specialist somewhere that's a longer driving distance, or even you have to fly somewhere to see someone. You can use your HSA funds to pay for those expenses. You can use it for certain home improvements. That would include things like entrance ramp, lead paint removal if you have an older home. You can use it for alcohol and drug treatment, special education services for children with disabilities. You can use it for service and guide dogs, including the resources that you need to take care of those dogs. And then you can use it for artificial teeth as well. This is not the full list here. These are just some kind of interesting things that we like to point out to people that you can also use these funds for. Like I said, if you want to see a full list of all of the qualified items, you can check out that IRS publication. One thing that you do need to note is that some of these items may require a letter of medical necessity from your provider. So just by themselves, they may not be qualified, but with a letter of medical necessity, they then would be. And again, if you're not sure if that's the case for you, call us and we can help you out with that, or again, you can check out that IRS publication. So speaking of that IRS publication, I will say that can get a little bit dry, a little bit boring even maybe. So I would highly recommend checking out hsastore.com. This is a really great resource for you. You can actually purchase things directly off of this website. They also have a great eligibility list that you can find that will tell you if something is qualified or not, and will often note if you need a letter of medical necessity for something. So in general, they're going to have a really, really great list. But as always, if you think of something and you don't see it listed, definitely give us a call and we're happy to help you figure out if it is or not. Speaking of giving us a call, if you have a question about a qualified item or anything else related to your HSA or employee benefit account, you can always feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 402-323-1815. That's going to take you to our customer care team. We're available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. You can also reach us by email at support@omnifybenefits.com, or you can check out our website, omnifybenefits.com.
If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to check out the rest of our video library by following the QR code on your screen, or you can find us on YouTube by searching for Omnify Employee Benefit Solutions. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.